Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Slack. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you make a Slack channel private? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Well, why would you want to change a Slack channel from public into private? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that some projects have to be separated from other employees. And by making that channel private, it's going to restrict the people who can view the information in that channel. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Slack account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Slack account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn a channel in your Slack account to private, first right here on the left in the channel section, go ahead and drop it down and then choose the channel that you want to make private. So for example, I'll go ahead and choose this one called random. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see the conversation in that Slack channel. And in order to make this channel private, up here on the top left, you're going to see the name of the channel again. Click on the little arrow next to it. Once you do that, you're going to see these four options right here at the top, and you want to click on settings. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this button down here towards the bottom called change to a private channel. Go ahead and click on that. But before we do that, make note here in the list of channels, these ones that have a pound sign, those are public channels. And then these ones that have like a little lock icon next to it, that's going to be a private channel. So next to random, it's a pound sign. So as soon as we click this, it's going to confirm that we want to change that to a private channel. Go ahead and click on change to private. Okay, let me close this down. Okay, so now if we look over here to the left on the list of channels, the public channel on Slack has now turned to private. It has a lock icon next to it. So now only the folks that I've added in as coworkers into this channel will be able to view the information inside of this channel. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn a Slack channel from public into private, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.